Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to add an assistant doctor. In the practice or in the operation theatre, an assistant doctor may assist the treating doctor or surgeon with certain procedures. The role of an assistant doctor consists of a normal practitioner assisting another practitioner with surgeries as well as consultations and procedures. In this video, we will start on the diary screen. From the diary screen, click on the navigation wheel located on the navigation bar. The navigation wheel will open. Click on the configuration segment. The cash register management screen will open. Proceed and click on the doctor tab located on the navigation bar. The doctor screen will open. The doctor screen is a list of practitioners with their details that have been set up. From here, a user will be able to add, edit, delete and undelete practitioners from the list. For a complete explanation of the types of doctors, please refer to the list of doctors overview user manual linked in this video's description. We will now look at how to add an assistant doctor. Navigate to the assistant doctor section. Click on Add New Doctor in the Assistant Doctor section, which will expand a section where you can fill in the details of the new assistant doctor. The Add Update Doctor screen will open. There are three methods from which a user can follow in order to add an assistant doctor. The user can either add the practitioner manually, search through the master doctor list, or import the practitioner from Medibase. Let's show the first method, adding an assistant doctor manually. The Assistant Doctor section contains various fields that needs to be completed. Click on the title drop-down menu to select the status title or profession of the practitioner. Select an option from the list that best fits the Assistant Doctor. Please note that the title will be set to Doctor by default. Initials is the first letter of each first name of the practitioner. The field will be completed automatically once the first names are entered. Surname is the practitioner's last name as stated on the official identification documents. Telephone number is a landline number that can be dialed in order to reach the practitioner. Fax number is where faxable documents can be sent to the practitioner. Add the practitioner's place of business, where the practitioner can be found in the physical address free text field. Add the practitioner's qualifications as obtained from a university in the qualification free text field. Add the practice number of the practitioner as they are registered with the HPCSA and BHF. Add the practitioner's registration number from the South African Medical and Dental Council. Cell phone number is the cellular or mobile number of the practitioner. Cell phone numbers need to have at least 10 digits to be valid. Email is the address where electronic mails can be sent to the practitioner. An email address will be validated using specific criteria like an @ sign. The email field will be highlighted red if the email is invalid. Postal address is an address where letters and parcels can be sent to the practitioner via the post office. If the postal and physical addresses are the same, then the user can click on the duplicate physical address button. Once clicked, the information from the physical address fields will copy to the postal address fields. At the bottom of the Add Update Doctor screen, the user will see two status indications. The first status indicates whether the practitioner is active or inactive on the system. The second status indicates whether the practitioner is linked to Medibase. Let's show the second method, searching through the master doctor list. At the top of the Add Update Doctor screen is a Search Through Master Doctor List search field. The user can click on the search field and start entering the name of the practitioner that has been loaded onto the system across all entities. Please note that the user is able to search for a practitioner by surname, practice number or SMDC number, or a part thereof to shorten the list to the desired results. Select the desired practitioner from the list of results. If the practitioner is not found, a new one will need to be created manually or imported from Medibase. Once selected, the practitioner's details that are currently on the system will pull through to the Assistant Doctor section. Please note that most fields will be grayed out and the user will not be able to make changes to these fields. Editable fields can be changed before the user saves the details of the Assistant Doctor. Let's show the third method, importing a practitioner from Medibase. At the top of the Add Update Doctor screen, click on the Import Doctor button. The Medibase search screen will then open. For more information on how the Medibase list screen works, please refer to the Medibase list search user manual linked in this video's description. Search for the desired practitioner by clicking on the Search for a person by name, town or specialty text field and typing details of the practitioner. Select the desired practitioner by clicking on the line corresponding with their name. Click on the Select button to select the chosen practitioner. Once selected, the practitioner's details will pull through to the Assistant Doctor section. Please note that all fields are editable and changes can be made to the information if the need arises. If the user wishes to exit and return to the doctor's list screen, they can do so by clicking on the Cancel button. If the user wishes to save the new Assistant Doctor to the doctor list and to return to the doctor list screen, they can do so by clicking on the Save button. The new Assistant Doctor's details will be added to the list. For more information on how to edit the assisting practitioner, please refer to the Edit a Doctor user manual linked in this video's description. Click on the Close button to return to the diary screen. No changes that have been made will be saved.